What do you think, Aubrey? What do you think?
I want to get that.
What do you think, Aubrey? Oh. Yeah, you gonna ride in that thing?
Obviously,
Yeah.
I get that. I get that.
Oh, what do you think? Careful, Ethan.
She wants to give her a tour.
Yep.
I'm
Hold on.
gonna push him.
Okay, hold on. Not yet. It's not on yet, Ethan. Oh.
Aubrey's in the car, so
Open
we
the
don't want to turn it on. And she's like, I want to drive. Ethan, can I drive, please? Can I drive, please, please, please?
No.
No, be nice. Be nice.
Let's get in the car.
You gotta let her drive too, Ethan.
Hey, Mama. Let's go say hi, though.
What?
Don't go yet.
I was trying to catch up to your brother. Here you go. Get it? Go hold on tight. Oh, he's strong, huh? Get it?
Hey, Alexa.
Alexa, slow down. Right there? Okay.
Go
Where
ahead.
do you want to go? The leader of the pack.
Standing there. See him right there? Moving? Yep. Barely moved. There's another one. Yeah. There's another one right here behind this tree. Here, let's go back around. Oh, there they are. Let's see. Yeah, he smells them.
Yeah, he sees him.
Oh, there they are. Yep. There she is.
Yeah, she sees him too.
Oh, you see the deer?
See the deer?
What do you think?
Let's go down and see him.
No, you're gonna scare the
just
poor
give him away.
ladies.
Come on.
They're very shy.
Come on, guys. There you walk away. See? There they are. Look.
I like this one.
Yeah, he's like, there they are, right there. See it?
Look at you.
Oh, yeah. Ooh. Keep going. Ta-da! Goes this way, guys. Up and over. Would you, Bobby?
Wow, look at that water.
Oh, and there's deer over there too, guys.
What?
Did you see the deer, Aubrey?
And where's all the ducks?
I think they went somewhere else for now.
Oh.
We'll go
What do
find
you
them. We'll go
Where's
that
the
way.
snakes?
Yeah.
Snakes? I hope there's no snakes. I don't like snakes.
Ta-da!
She really likes snakes.
Wow, I go, huh? You like that? Yeah. You like this? Yeah. Well, you got it too, or huh? What are you doing?
No, don't climb on there, baby girl.
Yeah. What?
Are you having fun, Aubrey Alien?
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah. Follow Dada, please. It's really fast water. You want to hold Mama's hand?
No.
Are you sure?
It's about water.
Water.
It's water.
Say hi, water.
Hi, water. Yeah.
She likes talking to bushes and trees. Are you the shrub and tree whisperer? Yeah. Whoa! What about this tree? So pretty out here. The birds are chirping. Got the lake or the river behind us. We got pretty little Aubrey. Yeah. Talking to a tree.
Baby.
Alright, let's go find your family. Yeah. Give Huggy. Huggy.
You only had a beat to me.
Yeah.
Shut up, Mama.
Oh, hurry up.
Yeah.
Oh, so sorry. Apparently we're falling behind her.
What you got? What you got, Aubrey? You got your water?
I'm here.
All right, go. What are you doing, Alexa?
I'm hiding.
Definitely running out of them now. That's pretty. Very pretty. Woo-wee. Gorgeous. Look at that. Huh? This is what I love about Mexico. Nice. See, this is a pretty side of New Mexico. Yeah. Oh yeah. Is that fun? Oh.
Yeah, I like this.
Oh, is that fun?
Look at the water.
Oh,
That's pretty.
pretty, huh?
I like it.
I wonder if the water gets high enough. If this makes like little pools all the way up to the top one here, like little outdoor mini pool.
What's this?
Series of them. It's kind of smart.
Whatever does it.
I don't know if the water ever gets high enough. There you go, Jemai. Yeah. Yeah, what do you guys check it out?
Your doggy's gonna get you.
Yeah, I gotta check this out. Yeah, I gotta check this out. Hold on. You having fun? Oh, nice. They found a sandbox.
Oh, of course.
They found a sandbox.
Right,
What do you think,
Right,
Aubrey? Oh, is it pretty?
Yeah. Yeah. She's all excited.
Yeah, go ahead. He's tied up. What do you think? Hi. Yes.
Say hi, siblings. What you talking about? You talking about the fact that we're in a log in the middle of a river?
Oh,
Yeah. How do you like sitting on the log instead of the river?
yeah. Wow.
Wow. You like it?
Wow. Wow.
Woo! You know what? I'll hold your dog, Jonathan. I'll hold your
Hold
dog.
him.
You take the camera. We'll get the dog. Come here, Spotty.
What's up, buddy? Stay out of there. Stay out of those sticks.
Up, 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 up. Yeah. Up, 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 up.
Where's he going? Where's he going, huh? It's okay,
Water
dude.
dog.
Like, oh yeah, nice and cool. Wow. That's
At least it's
good.
got a
Yeah.
little cloud though.
Yeah.
Next time to see him, too?
Yeah, she's right there.
You popped up like a prairie dog.
Oh, pretty.
I can in the water.
Ow. Back up.
Back up.
Yep. Hold on. Thank you. Oh.
Wow. Your daughter keeps poking her head.
Yeah, what
What are you doing, Dad? Superman?
What's that?
Young lady.
Oh.
We're just touching it.
What do you think, Aubrey?
No, we're not donking it with our heads, young
What do you
lady.
think? Oh, there she is. Ta-da!
You want to go say hi to the pretty eagles? Come on, Dad.
Come on, buddy. Come on, Alexa. Ethan, this way.
Hi, eagles.
Yeah, how you go?
The park. That's the park. I go to the park.
What's up, Aubrey?
Wow,
Hey, hold on. I'm not
Let's
gonna
play with those eagles.
What are you doing? Careful, buddy.
Sleepy?
Ethan, don't run.
You think he knows?
Yeah. He doesn't.
look. Eagles.
Oh, nice.
It's really big. Eagles.
So pretty.
And what is we had to pet him.
Wow.
And wife, it turned to wife.
She knows that number.
It turned
What do
wife.
you think?
Wow.
Whoa, oh no. We
Wow.
need to find more. Wow, the park.
Dad told us to power walk, so we're
You-
power walking.
Are you talking? You talking?
She is talking. She's talking and she's bouncing.
Say hi.
We need to get her a backpack. Put her on the back.
We need the
Because you
park.
see how long these legs are?
Yeah.
These are long legs. She's a tall baby. Alright, power walk, guys.
Come on.
Push. Alexa.
Alexa, come on.
Come on. Wow. Dicey Dada and Alexa. Say whoopee. Ethan? Yeah. It's your quiet conversation after she's done a fun activity. Calling you Dada. What's those? Those are trees. It's almost like she asked for Dada. Dada, what's those? It's you, Ethan. We're gonna get that, Ethan. We're gonna get that, Ethan. Prairie dog land. Watch out for the prairie dogs, Alexa. Oh no no no. Oh no no no. Oh no no. What else did you? They're in their little holes. You'll see them pop out and run across occasionally. Smile's gonna go look for some. Hey, why do you guys have to walk so slow? You tell them, Aubrey. Hurry up, siblings.
In holes.
Two kids.
Doggy.
Oh, no. Can't go after my soda. Yeah. You don't like crawling on the grass, huh? Yeah. It's a little windy today, huh? Hi. What are you siblings doing? Everywhere she goes. Look at this. Aubrey's crawling on her knees. Yeah. What are you doing? Oh, you found grass. What are you doing? So I am trying to crawl. Or stand up. I don't know what I'm doing here, but I'm trying not to touch the grass. What are you doing? You don't know what she's trying to do here. Darn it. I'm trying to crawl on this damn grass.
Grass is everywhere, huh?
That's good though. It kind of keeps you in an area. She gets mad at it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What are you doing? Wow.
Alexa.
They're having a conversation.
Ooh.
Okay, gimme. I want to eat it. Oh, she's trying to give you a hug.
You like him?
Yeah, I want my dad, yeah. She reached your hand.
Like this. Walk. Oh. Oh. Oops. There you go. Ooh.
Now what? Now what do you do? Oh, poor Aubrey. You gotta give Aubrey a hug. She keeps reaching for you. Oh. Woo! That's what I do. Run, Ethan! Run, Ethan! Did someone give you a pretty cream? Because you're a pretty girl. Yeah. I think that was nice that lady to give you a cream. You think you like it? Yeah. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. I love you.
I love you.
Mwah. Ethan, you're being called by your sister. She wants you. Go give Aubrey a kick. Oh no, you gotta give a kiss to Aubrey. She's talking to you. Yeah. Say, I love you. I love you.
I love you, Aubrey.
I love you, Aubrey.
Bye, Aubrey.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Ethan.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, she said bye-bye. Say good job, Aubrey.
Bye, Aubrey. Bye, Aubrey. I love you.
Goodbye. Say bye, Ethan.
Bye.
Good job, Aubrey. You're talking so much.
It was a big circle airplane.
It's a circle. It's a big airplane.
The big truck airplane.
I see.
What's this?
Oh, more huggies for Aubrey. Lots of huggies today, huh? Oh, it's a candy. Don't open those yet. I love you, Aubrey. Can you give your sister a kiss? Bye. You're so good at teaching her how to wave, dude.